Let's go, princess. I'll take you to one with better glory holes.
RJ, what are you doing in here? This is the girls' bathroom.
Ooh! Some chick just took a massive dump.
RJ, what are you doing in here?
I'm trying to make your day a little less worse.
You didn't tell Robert?
Our secret.
All right, let's get that giant mask on you.
And get you out of here.
There you go. All better.
The sixth period bell's gonna ring in 4 minutes.
We need your whole ass. Come on, Jenny.
No, the activity's hall.
No, man, you know what you're talking about.
No, you don't know what you're talking about. Let's go.
Okay, Miles, I'll buy you a crossbow, a race car bed, and Terminator sunglasses.
All right. I'll see you on the other side. Look, it's the school douchiest couple. You dead, Turner.
Okay, now's your chance. Go.
Hey, thank you. You're a good friend. I won't forget this.
So, I guess you have a couple hours to kill before you can go home, huh?
Yeah, it's probably best my mom doesn't find out about the whole sneaking out of school thing.
Right.
Oh, she'll kill me. Sorry, I don't really feel like making out or anything right now.
That's okay. I'm happy that we're just hanging out. We never do that.
That's true.
Do you want to play Xbox?
Sure. Do you have that one workout game? You know, the one where you, wave your arms, you, pop the little pink flower thingies?
Oh, I don't have that one.
Oh.
No. Oh, how about a movie? I just bought the Blu-ray director's cut of Avatar.
Director's cut? Thank God. That movie was so long.
Actually, this one's longer.
Oh.
Oh, I have an amazing karaoke machine. I have, every song in the world.
Oh, perfect. Do you have Lady Gaga or Katy Perry? No, wait. Do you have Taylor Swift? I do a killer Taylor Swift.
I don't have those.
Do you have any antihistamines?
That I do.
Oh. Thank you.